Hello YouTube, hello out there. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to clear up your Python console. So let's play the intro and let's get started. First of all, let's open up our Windows console or command prompt. Any operating system has a method to clear up the console. But if you are a Python user, you have to invent some methods to clear your Python console. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you 4 methods to clear your Python console. I encourage you to try these tricks on your Python console.